After a few showers earlier today, now we are drying out with some activity off towards our west. And for the remainder of the afternoon, I'm leaving just a touch of rain, kind of mostly coming through later on through the overnight. We're talking closer to daybreak here for your Thursday morning. Otherwise, it's partly cloudy. It's going to be a warm night ahead as those temperatures dive to 76 degrees, and winds will remain consistent out of the east and range between 5 at times 10 miles an hour. Here's what's expected over the next several days. Slightly drier, but then the pattern does begin to shift. This happening closer to the long holiday weekend. And just pay attention to the colors. This represents the moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. The yellow indicating the drier air, the green representing the moisture. And as we move the clock forward, you could see lots of green, mostly out towards the west, which is consistent with our pattern. We have winds coming in from the east, and it's going to push any activity further west. So that's going to be likely here over the next several days. But by the time we head towards Sunday, notice how a good chunk of South Florida is covered in green. A bit more moisture is expected, and that is going to increase our rain chances. So this is what the long holiday weekend looks like. On Saturday, we're up to a 30% of a few scattered thunderstorms, most of them drifting west. So if you have any beach plans this long holiday weekend, you still want to make sure you're paying attention to the forecast. Because of that persistent east wind, we're probably going to keep a high rip current risk this holiday weekend. By the time Sunday comes around, rain chances increase, and now we're talking a few more scattered showers across the area, and that could impact beach plans here. So Sunday is probably going to be a day where you have to constantly check back to see what the weather is in store for us. By the time we head towards Monday, rain chances slightly come back down, and then temperatures will remain rather uniform. In fact, right where we should be for this time of the year, in the upper 80s for the next 7 days. This is what the 7-day forecast shows. An isolated chance here for your Thursday, widely scattered as we round out the week on Friday. And then rain chances begin to increase late Saturday into your Sunday. By Memorial Day, we'll be tracking a 30% chance of rain, temps in the upper 80s, and then it'll be warm as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.